Hello everyone, welcome to VisualSnaps. Today we're talking about how you can make better films. The first thing that you can do to tighten up your film is to plan out the story and other logistics before shooting. This will make your shoot days run smoothly and also make sure that your finished piece is a complete piece and not a whole bunch of different shots thrown together. Another thing you can do is experiment with different kinds of shots, such as point of view shots or extremely high or extremely low angles. This will help you build more meaning in your story and make your film look better. One thing that you can do to spice up your films is to use many different angles, shots, and to shoot a lot of coverage of your scenes. This means when you're editing that you'll be able to cut between all these different scenes and shots and make your film look really polished. Another thing that you can do is to use colored lights in your shots to both make them more cinematic and also build more meaning in your story. Using colored lights is a great cinematography hack that I'd highly recommend using. Another thing you can think about to make better films is to get better audio quality. Audio is a huge part of films, and if you get it wrong, it can ruin the whole piece. I have a video already made about how you can get better audio quality for your short films. I'll link it right here. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.